My name is Radek Malinowski, I'm a HAART founder, and we are here because of the celebration of 10 years of HAART, an organization that was started in 2010 and is devoted to fight against human trafficking. And this event just tries to summarize the 10 years of achievements of our work with protecting victims, creating awareness, partnering with other organizations, and also lobbying for better prosecution of traffickers. And I want to thank you, our host, the ambassador of Austria, Christian Fellner, who graciously agreed to host us and welcome on our behalf to this event.
I mean, we have talked about that in different settings here in Kenya, and I think that if you as a potential traveler, if you give the contract to somebody who is knowledgeable, and there's not a big deal to know about, these work contracts, they are not many pages. So you can look at that and you can see that there are some clauses in there which are important for you. Like you're going to get paid, you are not, you are free to get out of the contract again, and you are going to be insured, etc. These kind of things. I mean, every work contract, you find templates, millions in the internet, and if somebody who is knowledgeable looks at that, you have already 80% of the safety you need. Huh?
You see, the other thing that relates with it is most of the victims are not well schooled. So the traffickers already know the kind of person they want. So they give people who are ready to sign on the dotted line without reading what they are signing. And that then starts creating the problem. There's a requirement under the Ministry of Labor that if you're immigrating to work outside, then once you receive that contract, you need to share it with the Labor Office. The Labor Office will give you free advice on the authenticity of that contract. And you see, the agreements are signed government to government, So they are able to tell you whether they have a working agreement with the government of Saudi and what does it govern. What are the protective measures? But we have a lot of also skepticism among our people, where people want to do their things in secrecy. That if I told you I'm going to Qatar, my fear is that you're going to work against me going. So I keep everything to myself. You, even your best friend, you keep from them. People just discover you left the country, and now when they try to reach you, they realize, no, you're actually in problem. Well, if you shared, like the ambassador is saying, share information with people. Let's have accountability persons here for you, even if you're out there. And then let's see, if you run into challenges, how we can be able to assist.